Hello, compadres! My name's Grant Flanagan, and you're on for another episode of Fusty Food Review. Today, we're going to be discussing the hot cocoa O's. You're in for a real treat today. So, I'm sitting up here in this tree, right? You're probably wondering, what the hell am I doing up here? It's the only place I enjoy some hot cocoa O's. Good thing we can cut these out. Sometimes I get a little ball itch. Another thing these are great for, well, they're great for sleeping, right? So I put them in this bad boy right here. You just dump a little in there. Oh, right there. They're right there in the eyeball. Right there in the eye hole. In case you guys don't know, I'm the eye hole man. I'm the only one who's allowed to have any eye holes. So, you dump these bad boys in here. Next thing we know, we got a little sack of them. Shove them in your armpit like this. Make you smell a lot better. You don't need deodorant anymore, folks. You just don't need it. Oh, God. I stink. Yeah. Alright, we're back. Live. With these hot cocoa O's. Have you tried these things? Trader Joe's knockoff brand Cheerios. Now I gotta rate these bad boys. On the fart knock scale, I rate them about a 3 because they really don't get rid of the stench that much. You know, I still smell like shit. So, but on the tasty scale, the fusty scale, we'll give them about a 7. By the way, I saw Noah's food review the other day for the first time. Funny kid. Hey Noah, food review guy. Listen, we love you out here at Fusty Food Reviews. You're a huge inspiration to us all. I didn't pick up the box till I saw you, so from the bottom of my heart, we salute you. So, to go into detail, there are 2 key ingredients in this hot cocoa O's. Alright, so right here, we got the O. Let me look around here for a hot cocoa. Marshmallow, crispy, right there, baby. You bite it, oh man, it breaks your teeth. It's great stuff. The marshmallows have melted right into my armpits, right on the hairs. I can't pull those bad boys out. All right, here goes nothing. Delicious. Listen, go pick yourself up a box. You can find these exclusively at Trader Joe's. Hit the link. Don't forget Noah. Oh God. I made a mess. Dude, some birds are gonna be eating good tonight. Alright guys, and if the food's not enough for you, listen, we always got something great for the kids. You just stick this baby right on your head, like so. You might have to tear it just a little bit, it'll still work. And look at that, you got yourself a perfectly good rain hat. Alright, hope you enjoyed, bye! What? What? I seriously, I don't get it.
This is Ryan, co-owner of Fusty Food Review. Grant Flanagan, you just did your first Fusty Food Review. How do you feel?
Well, I feel delicious, honestly. I'd do it again. And if you take a good look right in here, you got some armpit action. I can't pull those out, folks. That's stuck there forever. Oh, cool. I got some extra for later here. So yeah, always carry pockets. Always carry these babies everywhere you go. You'll need them. They'll come in handy, especially out here in the wild. That's all, folks. Oh man, I don't feel so good. What?